was like polytimer. What's your name?
Oscar Medina.
What's up, everybody? Thank you guys for watching our videos. We are taking the time to look at everybody's comments. We appreciate the ideas. Give us good ideas on what videos you want us to post, and we'll work on that. If you like our videos, please subscribe and like our channel, and we'll keep them coming. Now let's get on with this week's video.
You wait. What's your name?
Oscar Medina.
And what do you do here?
I am the production manager.
What are you making?
8350. W8350. Butyric 10.
Got it.
What's up? I'm working on a special Helldiver Blue. This is the part that they brought me to match. Today I'm going to show you how we make up a color. Here we have a quart of aerothane, and we're going to turn this into 143 Cub Yellow. Alright, so here behind me we have all of our pigments, and what we're going to do is we're going to follow our formula here for our color, and we're going to put each pigment into our quart of vehicle. Just like that. Alright, and the final step here is taking our little sticker that shows what color we just made, slap it on the can, and now I am ready to ship to the customer.